Google Cloud tutorial for beginners. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to use Google Cloud for setting up and hosting a website. Google Cloud is a suite of cloud computing services offered by Google where it provides a wide range of infrastructure and platform services that enables businesses and developers to build, deploy, and scale applications and services on Google infrastructure. They offer various services and product across different categories like Google Compute Engine, Google Cloud Storage provides scalable and durable object storage. They also offer networking, where Google Cloud provides networking services such as virtual private cloud for creating private networks. And they also have big data analytics, where Google Cloud offers services like BigQuery for data warehousing and analytics, Cloud Data Flow for stream and batch processing. They also offer AI and machine learning, identity and security, developer tools, management and monitoring, and a lot more. Using Google Cloud to host and set up your website is definitely a good idea since this platform is actually a reliable and a scalable infrastructure for hosting website, and this is also a leverage for Google's global network and data centers. It offers flexibility and customization with a wide range of services and products to meet specific website requirements. The integrated services such as AI and machine learning tools enhance the functionality of hosted websites. Google Cloud also prioritizes security and compliance, providing features like DDoS protection, encryption, and access controls. It offers cost effectiveness through competitive pricing and auto scaling options, while also providing extensive ecosystem support and integration with other Google services. And for you to be able to set up and host a website using Google Cloud, you can follow these steps. Where first thing you need to do is to create a Google Cloud account. Where if you haven't created one yet, you can go to cloud.google.com and provide the necessary information that they require. So once you click on Get Started, you'll be routed into this page where you need to fill out these details, where you need to create your account information or fill out these informations and then just accept to the terms and conditions or to the policies as well or the terms of service here for trying Google Cloud for free. And the next step would be setting up your payment informations or payment details so that you will be able to successfully create your account. Once you have created your Google Cloud account, this would be your dashboard where you first thing that would welcome you would be the overview. That's basically how you'll be able to preview all the details about your website or about your account here for Google Cloud. So here you can actually look into the Google platform even more, where you can see that there are different products that they offer from management, from computing engines, storage engines, or APIs or analytics. And here as well, this is where you will be able to create your own website. And what you need to look for is the Compute Engine API, since that is the first thing that you will need to do so that you will be able to create your own website or host your website here using Google Cloud. So here we will be needing Compute Engine. And once you have created your Google account, the next thing that you will do here is you can start creating a new project. In the Google Cloud Console, you can click on Create a New Project to organize your website's resources and settings. And the next thing that you will do is enable necessary APIs. This will enable the required APIs for your website. Commonly used API include Compute Engine API, Cloud Storage API, and Cloud DNS API, where you can enable them in the Google Cloud Console under the APIs and Services section. So as you can see, when I try to use the Compute Engine API, it routed me back to creating my account or getting the details or providing the details once again, especially when it comes to payment method. Yes, Google Cloud may you can try it for free, but they actually need to get your payment details first or payment information before you are able to use or start creating or hosting a website here using Google Cloud. So after you filled out all the details, especially with setting up your account, once you have enabled necessary APIs, the next thing that you will do will set up the virtual machine instance where you will use Google Compute Engine to create VM or virtual machine instance that will host your website. And the next thing as well here after that would you need to configure and secure your virtual machine. You need to install a web server software like Apache or Nginx on your VM. And you also need to configure firewall rules to allow incoming web traffic, usually on port 80 and or 443. This will ensure the virtual machine has a proper security measures in place, such as using SSH keys for authentication. Once you have configured and secured your virtual machine, the next thing you do is to set up a domain name, where you need to set up your domain from a registered or from a domain registrar. After that, you can deploy your website. You can transfer your website files to your virtual machine using the tools like Secure Copy or by setting up a Git repository where this would configure the web server to serve your website's files. The next thing here would be set up your SSL or your TLS certificate, where this is optional, but this is to enable secure connections like HTTPS for your website. And second to the last step here would be configure backups and monitoring as well, where this would implement regular backups into your website's data and configure monitoring tools like Google Cloud Monitoring or Stackdriver. And the last thing is to test your website and launch your website. This will verify that your website is accessible and is functioning correctly, and you will be able to perform thorough testing to ensure everything is working as what you have imagined. However, in creating a website, it could be different or it may vary on the steps depending on what your website requires, especially on the Google Cloud services that you use. And it's recommended as well to consult an official Google Cloud documentation and relevant guides for detailed instructions and best practices specific to your use on the website that you are creating. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to host and set up your website here using Google Cloud. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.